Welcome! We're going to show you how to create a ChatGPT account. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel. First, go to Google and type ChatGPT OpenAI. Then press enter. Click on the first result, which should be ChatGPT. Once the website opens, you need to sign in. At the top right corner of the page, click Sign In and select ChatGPT. On the next page, click Sign In again. You'll see 4 options to sign in: Google Gmail account, Microsoft account, Apple account, phone number. For this example, I'll use Google. If you have multiple Gmail accounts, you'll be asked to select one. Click on the email you want to use. That's it. Your account is now created. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel.